Hi guys, this is Daisy. Today I'm gonna show you JarveePro new scheduler. So if we want to follow a user, let's set up. We go to edit this follow campaign for Instagram. So each account will follow 50, and I have 47 normal accounts. So I checked all the normal accounts. Profile URL. Let's delete this widget from the advanced content explorer. So for Instagram search users, say JarveePro. From yesterday. So I got five links. And each link, each profile can be followed 50 times. So okay, we can save the follow records or we don't. And here we can enable mouse click on follow accounts. Just leave that because I have really good accounts. So I will schedule only once. Okay. Now it's line 9:44. Alright, now we will start. So now it's line 44. Go to follow the account. Let's check the results. So 2 success. So that's how we run follow campaign with the results we get from advanced content explorer and with the scheduler. So yeah, hope you helps. Thank you for watching. Bye.